The San Antonio Spurs, they're hanging in there in the Western Conference, waiting for Kawhi Leonard to come back. And the Thunder, they're trying to get above 500. They've been underperforming to start the season. Carmelo with the crossover on Rudy Gay, and then it's going to be Westbrook finding Paul George. The Spurs fell asleep there on that possession. Thunder go up big in the first quarter. It continues in the second quarter as Grant throws down the slam. The Thunder would go up by 23 points in the second quarter as LaMarcus Aldridge throws down a big slam to end the second quarter. Though the Spurs start to go on their run, they start to get back into the game, and that Spurs momentum flows with them into the second half as Gasol hits the three. And then LaMarcus Aldridge in the post with the fadeaway. He had 26 points in this one. Transition. They're going to kick it to the corner. That's a big splash to tie the game at the end of the third. Into the fourth quarter, it's anybody's game now. Manu Ginobili, he's still hitting big shots like that when the Spurs need him. Carmelo, nice bounce pass to Steven Adams. Oh, baby. Don't you wish Carmelo would make more passes like that? Green, gonna let it fly. It's off. Rebound, Aldridge fighting in the paint. The Spurs have a 3-point lead with 24 seconds to go. They're gonna give it to Westbrook. Comes off the screen, goes into the paint, kicks it outside for the three. It's off. Rebound Westbrook. Paul George for three. That's off. Rebound Westbrook again. It's tipped. Carmelo gets it. He goes around the screen. He's gonna pop the three and makes it. But his foot was on the line as you check the replay. So that's only a 2. It's a 1-point game. They're forced to foul the Spurs and get the ball back to force overtime. 2.3 seconds. The inbound is gonna go to Westbrook. He's tangled up though. He throws up a crazy shot and the Thunder lose. Ooh, Fox hits the floor. That's a near perfect release. Oh, I missed it.
Oh my gosh.
How could I miss that three? How could I blow that highlight? A full white release as De'Aaron Fox hits the ground. That is a wasted ankle break.